Let's go on a learning ride with animals by our side. From A to Z, we'll sing and play. Come join the fun today. A is for Annie, the alligator bright. She always wakes up with the morning light. B is for Bobby, the baking bear. He makes banana bread with care. C is for Coco, the counting cat. She counts the stars, imagine that. D is for Danny, the dog who dances. He jumps and swims and prances. E is for Ellie, the elephant wise. She reads her books before sunrise. F is for Freddy, the fox who helps, fixing toys from every shelf. G is for Gina, the garden giraffe. She waters her flowers and makes us laugh. H is for Harry, the hugging hippo. He spreads love wherever we go. I is for Ivy, the iguana queen. She dreams of worlds you've never seen. J is for Joey, the jaguar fast. He runs through fields so wide and vast. K is for Kiki, the kangaroo neat. She keeps her room so clean and sweet. L is for Leo, the lion proud. He learns new things and roars out loud. M is for Molly, who makes music loud. She plays her drums and draws a crowd. N is for Nina, the nightingale blue. She sings sweet songs just for you. O is for Oscar, the owl at night. He looks at stars with glowing light. P is for Penny, the penguin who paints. Her rainbow art makes no complaints. Q is for Quincy, the quail so small. He asks big questions, one and all. R is for Ricky, the rabbit who reads. He loves his books and planting seeds. S is for Sally, the snake so smart. She solves puzzles with her heart. T is for Tommy, the turtle who talks. He tells great stories on his walks. U is for Uma, the unicorn bright. She understands wrong and right. V is for Vicky, the vulture sweet. She visits Grandma every week. W is for